How to promote affiliate links on YouTube. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can create YouTube shorts to promote your affiliate links. So let's get into it. Now, before we get into the YouTube strategy, let's take a look at the different platforms that you can use to get a affiliate link. So currently there are quite a few different platforms that are, offering affiliate links, and you have a lot of different products you can choose from. We have a platform, this platform is called Dr. Cash. You also have platforms like CPA Grip. You also have platforms like Digistore24. So there are quite a few different options that are available. And if I go onto Digistore24, now the thing with creating YouTube Shorts to promote your affiliate links is that I recommend using YouTube Shorts for affiliates that are related to maybe health, fitness, spirituality, religion, spiritual things, or health and fitness related things. Now, the reason for this is because when you're creating YouTube shorts, let's take these two YouTube channels for example. You guys can see these shorts are getting a lot of views, but the type of shorts that get a lot of views are usually psychology or spiritual or either fitness or motivation or wealth related. So if you want to promote a affiliate on YouTube, you want to make sure that you're using a good affiliate. A good affiliate would usually be within the motivation, empowerment, fitness, diet, exercise, or spirituality, psychology niche. So let's take a look at the different affiliates we have over here. So we have quite a few different affiliates on Digistore24. To register on this platform, you just need an email address. That is it. So you can sign up for free and get started. And we are going to go on ahead and just browse these affiliates. So we have some, nutrition items. We have all of these different items as well. So I'm just going to take a look at all of the items. Now, I'm just going to go on ahead, keep on looking. So this is the item, another killer fat loss masterpiece geared towards women. So this is a hormonal balance weight loss supplement, and I think this would be a good product to promote on YouTube Shorts. So what I'm going to do is I can just click on promote now, and I would get my promo link. Now, whenever I get a promo link for affiliate marketing, if I am looking to promote it on a platform like YouTube, usually I recommend you actually change this link. So how can you change this link? You can go into any link beautification platform like tinyurl or any other platform, and you're just going to paste it. And then you can customize the link, and you're going to add tinyurl.com, and then you can just write, so this product is hormone balance. I'm going to add tinyurl.com weight loss like this. So I will click on make tiny URL, not greater than 30 characters. This one is not available. Okay, so I got my tiny URL. Obviously, with tiny URL, some of those might be taken, but you guys can see I have this new URL that I can now use. Now, how can you create your YouTube short? Well, if you don't want to record your own footage, it's totally reasonable. I don't record any of my own footage for things like that. But when you're trying to create YouTube shorts to promote a product, you don't want to just put a link in your product. No, you want to market it like this. So this channel was created specifically for motivation, and all of their posts are just motivational quotes or people saying motivational things. Then we have this psychology one, and all they are doing is posting a psychology fact. So you guys can see like this. They have, a YouTube short is 60 seconds, usually for 15 seconds. They have, the first half of the text, and then it will, pop up. So what you want to do is you want to create a specific YouTube channel targeted towards that niche. So for example, we are taking weight loss. So I would create a YouTube channel called weight loss, and then I would just post weight loss shorts on it. So to create those shorts, what you can do is you can take the help of ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT will allow you to get a few ideas about what kind of shorts you're going to do. So you can't just list your URL. You would be like weight loss tip. So can you list some weight loss tips? Now, just like that, they'll make a listicle for YouTube Shorts, bite-sized information like this. And I'm just going to take the drink more water or portion control. So whatever tip you want, we are going to use that. And we're going to be like, and to know more, click on the link down below. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on to Canva. Canva is a great platform to design, and you can just click on over here and just search for YouTube Shorts. And once you click on that, it will give you quite a few different templates like this that you can use. So just like that, we have this, and I want something that is nice and simple. I think I'm going to use this template, and I will just click on customize this template over here. And now you can obviously change the frames. I'm going to take the first frame and I'm going to add weight loss tip. And I think I'm going to add a bottom text on it as well. So, or maybe I'm just going to reduce the seconds just for 1 second, weight loss tip. And then in my second frame, we have this, which is the second frame. And I'm just going to go on ahead, go to ChatGPT, and I will add drink more water over here, copy, and paste this over here. And I'm going to reduce the time of this as well. Make it 1 second, 1.5 seconds maybe. And then in my third frame, I'm going to add the rest of the text from ChatGPT, like so. I'm just going to paste it. And then in the third frame, I'm going to add, so to boost the weight loss, go to this link, and I'm just going to expand my little box over here. I'm going to place it down below, like so, over here. And I will just enter my link. So now I'm going to copy this from tiny URL, copy this, click on paste, and we have this link, but I don't want a link. I just want the text of the link. So to copy, and then we're going to just, so like this, I've just added our tiny URL link. And I'm going to add a white background so it's easier to see. Click on layer, click on send to back like this, and I'm going to delete the rest of the frames. And now let's take a preview at what our video is looking like. So to boost weight loss, go to this link. Obviously, in the background, you can change the video. You can go into elements in Canva and search for any kind of video, and you would get short, bite-sized videos to add. So after you've done this, just click on share on the top right and click on download to download and upload onto your YouTube channel. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.